Hello. Today, I want to show you the secret features of the magnifying glass found in some Victorinox knives. According to Google, it offers 5 times magnification. The lens itself is glass, and the frame is plastic. You can use the magnifying glass to examine a tiny splinter. Sometimes they're so small they're practically invisible. To remove it, use tweezers. If the splinter is in your finger, you can hold the knife with the magnifying glass in the same hand where the splinter is located. This is quite convenient. You won't need help from anyone else. This splinter isn't very small. I stuck it into my finger on purpose to demonstrate what it looks like. If you need both hands free, for example, to thread a needle, you can stand the knife upright using its hook. For many people with poor eyesight, this isn't an easy task, and the magnifying glass makes it simpler. Both my hands stay free while I look at the needle and thread through the magnifier. Don't mind my shaking hands. It's all because I'm a bit of a drunk. Here's another amazing life hack involving your smartphone camera. On many phones, especially older models, the camera can't focus up close. If you need to photograph something tiny or scan a small QR code, you might fail simply because you're too close. As you can see, my phone says I need to move the camera farther away to focus. But if I do, it won't recognize this tiny QR code. Now, if I hold the magnifying glass against the camera lens, a real miracle happens. The camera now focuses easily at close range and effortlessly recognizes even this small QR code. A link appears instantly, and I can open the website encoded in it. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Photos taken with and without the magnifying glass. The difference is clear. Without it, everything is blurry and unreadable. With it, the quality is outstanding. Next life hack, also smartphone related. Every phone has a flashlight that doubles as the camera flash. Its light is weak and unfocused. It covers a wide area but reveals no detail. Using the Victorinox magnifying glass, you can concentrate the flashlight beam exactly where you need it. Just hold the magnifier against the light. Move it closer or farther to adjust focus. It's simply amazing. I can instantly see every tiny detail of the illuminated object. My hands are shaking again. Blame the brutal hangover. By the way, this doll was handmade based on my photo. What do you think? Does it look like me? You can also use your Swiss Army knife as a phone stand. Open the magnifying glass to a 90-degree angle, place your smartphone against it, and let it rest on the main blade. It stands very steadily. Now, on to wilderness survival. I'll show you how to start a fire with the magnifying glass if your matches are soaked and you have nothing else. I'm soaking them completely so they can't be lit normally. Next, cut off the match heads with the knife and gather them in a pile. These are the exact same wet matches, no swap trick here. Match sulfur can ignite even when damp. The key is finding a way to light it. Trying to strike a wet match normally just makes the head fall off because the sulfur softens and loses grip when wet. Take some dry grass. As you've probably guessed, I'll ignite the sulfur using the magnifying glass. Focus sunlight into a single bright point and aim it at the sulfur pile. Just a few seconds, and it flares up. Here's another incredible method to make fire without matches. First, gather flammable material. Cotton clothing works perfectly. Today, I'm using my sock. I'll scrape off some cotton fibers. My neighbors probably think this drunk has lost his mind and is shaving his socks. Important tip: use dark-colored socks or clothing. Simple physics: light reflects off light colors and is absorbed by dark ones. Next, take dry grass and rub it between your palms to loosen the fibers. Now place our little belly button lint inside the grass bundle. This is what it should look like. Take the magnifying glass and focus sunlight just like before. Wait until the cotton begins smoldering actively and producing smoke. Then gently blow on the ember to ignite the grass. You can also use the magnifying glass and sunlight to burn a message into wood, a personal note or an SOS signal if you need rescue. I wonder, can any viewer guess what message I'm about to burn? If you guess correctly, write your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Takes 1 second, costs nothing, and truly helps promote the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video.